Yep, what's good? Got a quick market recap today. Didn't take any trades today. It was a GBP bank holiday as well, and two of the pairs that I traded are GBP. So, yeah, I already took it out. But, yeah, got close to taking an entry, but I realized that it was the bank holiday, so I just laid off of it, and it's a good thing that I did because would have gone stopped out. So, yeah. So with Euro USD, we were bullish from the very bullish Powell speech. And at this point, I was thinking, because like theoretically we are bullish, but like fundamentally, I was thinking like, or not fundamentally, but still technically, I was thinking that we might want to fill in this for value gap more, and it looks like we did that. So I was a bit like not really trying to take anything on this because I wasn't sure which way I wanted to go. At first, I was looking for like the lowest to get taken. I thought that was a decent enough of a retrace, but we ended up actually going lower, so it's a good thing that I didn't decide to enter on it. Market open, we opened right by the London highs. And because we opened right here, I was thinking like, yo, we might actually want to go into the London highs and start moving downwards. But in that case, I would want like the absolute London high to get taken out. And we didn't end up actually doing that. So I just kind of like laid off of it. We did have an inverse for value gap here. Could have maybe entered something short on here. But again, that is by 8 a.m. mark. So I'm not really trying to trade during that time. But we ended up pushing way lower. Now with GBP JPY, the 4 hour was what was it? It was bearish at the time, closing below its low, and we never had any bullish confirmation to the upside. So I kind of slept in a bit. Like I got onto the charts right at like 6:05 because I had my family friend, I had to go to my dad's friend's party or something, and that ended up late. I don't know why they were deciding to do it on a Sunday, but yeah. So we can't come up into the Asian highs, and if you can imagine, I was like half asleep, and I was like, oh my god, it's a setup, it's a setup. So I was super like hyper fixated on trying to take this thing. I was like trying to find reasons to take it, but this was like right at NY open, so I wasn't really trying to trade right at NY open because I usually wait until like 6:20 or 6:25 to find a setup. But we did end up inversing this for value gap and this for value gap, so I was quite confident that we could continue on lower. Now I was looking for continuation or a retracement to get a better entry and maybe just wait it out until like 6:25. But we kept on like pushing lower, and every time it pushed lower, I would feel like a stab. I'm like, I'm like, I'm about to like it just keeps. I feel like the blood won't stop leaking. Like it just felt like, I don't even know, but it's just like it felt like weird. I felt like emotional pain, and that emotional pain came from me having the expectation that price would retrace up and that I would be able to find a proper entry, but we didn't. I was originally wanting to enter off of this breakup structure to the downside, but again, this was right at like market open, so wanted to wait out a little bit to see what we would do, because we did retrace at this 1 minute for value gap. There was 5 minute equilibrium I was looking for, but it never ended up getting hit as well. Didn't freeze, right? But yeah, so we came into 1 minute equilibrium, and then we did have an inverse for value gap, and we broke structure here, but I realized that it was actually a bank holiday as well, so decided not to enter on that. I was actually getting pretty I didn't like. The good thing about today was that when I saw the bank holiday, I was like, I'm not going to take this. I'm not going to take this. Like, I was being disciplined. Like, I was following my rules. Like, back then, I would be like, oh, it's okay. It's just a GBP bank holiday. I would be trying to find reasons for me to take the trade. I'd be like, it's not a USD holiday, so it's okay to trade. But what I noticed today was that today I was like completely like set and clear, like, yo, if my rule is not there, then I'm not going to take it. Like I easily could have entered like right off of this, but I didn't. And I feel like my discipline is getting better on this. Just being able to sit out and watch the price move. Like when I saw price moving down, I was like, oh my god, I actually should have entered. I should have entered. But we ended up pushing higher, so it just made me feel good about myself. I realized like, yo, I actually got to follow my plan. That my plan's there for a reason. And trading on bank holidays is not really the smartest thing either. So yeah, but I just realized I traded 2 GBP pairs in New York session. Maybe, bro, I'm thinking of switching to like, I don't know if I should switch to like NQ and S&P, like ES and NQ, because I saw a video saying that Forex is outdated. So I don't know if I should switch, but like, I don't know if like, could I apply the same strategy? I don't know. It's a good question. I feel like I want to stick to this, but I don't know. Now with GBP USD, the 4 hour was bullish, similar to Euro USD. So I was looking for the lows to get taken, but we never ended up coming to the lows. We were just chopping around because it was a GBP bank holiday. I hate bank holidays, bro. They're so boring, bro. Like, why they gotta have holidays, bro? Just work all the time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna record a video because, yeah, bro, my forehead acne, like, I don't understand why it's getting so bad, bro. I, bro, I don't know. That's all. Goodbye.